Hello and welcome to my station. Today I'm going to do a test, a review of this product I bought from the Amazon. When I open it, I have did an unbox video. I think it's a very good build quality. So I will test its magnetic power to see how strong it is. So I'm basically used this for my DJI Action 2 because this one has no magnetic. So when I connect this and connect to the DJI, I want to see how strong it is. So because I'm holding a camera, so I'm gonna assemble this and see how this works. As you can see, I already put together all the pieces. This is very stable, even it's without any magnetic face. This is very stable. Let's see how this magnetic the base. Okay, let me try. This is the light I bought from the IKEA. So yeah, I think it's strong enough to hold the camera. You can shoot anywhere that has a magnet, that's a metal face, which can be used as for the magnetic base. So, and also those ball head can adjust the directions, so you don't need any tripod. You can find any metal surface and then magnetic on it and adjust the directions, which will be very convenient. So I will also test this one on my refrigerator to see. As you can see, the magnetic power is very strong. See, can move to any directions. Sorry, need to unscrew the this because I'm holding the camera, so not easy to. That's it's very strong. If you put this on the car, it will never fall up or any bump or any dips. So later I will do a review to put this on my car to see, and shooting some videos to see how it performs. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.